Hello students, today we will start our first chapter building with bricks. In the online session also I had discussed this chapter. Again I am discussing this chapter with you. Okay, building with bricks. Building with bricks chapter start like this. This is in this chapter in the starting it is given that a story of Jagriti school in Murshidabad. When this building was made, that school was made, they had a plan to make a brick pattern in the school. मीन्स दे हैड डिसाइडेड, उन्होंने ऐसे सोचा कि हमें ये स्कूल बनाते टाइम कि हमें ब्रिक्स पैटर्न हमें कुछ बनाने चाहिए स्कूल में टू मेक इट सम इनोवेटिव. So mason of that school, like in the name is given, Jamal, Kalu and Pyar were the mason of that brick work. The three mason were there. They decided to go different places to get innovative ideas of this brick pattern. उन्होंने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम दूसरी नई जगह जाके देखें कि ब्रिक पैटर्न कैसे होते हैं और कुछ नया हम उसमें से आइडियाज़ लेके आए. So they took their friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. They went to the tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. They went to the tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. You can see this tomb is given. This is a tomb. In this tomb, different brick pattern is given. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick pattern. Lots of different brick patterns is given. They are very beautiful. These were made by mason long back ago, about 300 years ago. This brick patterns, this tomb was built 300 years ago. Now you can see the below. Different types of brick pattern is given to you. You can see the number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this pattern it is asked which floor pattern do you like the most. If you ask me, I like the floor pattern of fifth one. I like pattern fifth one. You can write pattern of your choice also, that which pattern do you like most. Have you seen such pattern anywhere? Of course, most of us have seen such pattern. Okay, now then the mason came excited. They went to that tomb. They have seen different types of pattern and they got excited to make such brick pattern in the school. So you can see the picture of the floor. This is the picture of the school floor. You can see the different pattern is given. Okay. They had made different patterns in on the floor. They got excited and the school was also very proud for having such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make a new pattern by themselves. The student also get encouraged by seeing these brick patterns. Now on this page you can see different types of brick pattern is given. See, the alphabet is written on that: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Based on this, question is asked, which pattern is made in circle? So you have to see the picture and you have to answer it, that which pattern is in circle. Next question is, which pattern can you show mirror half? From this you have to answer which pattern shows mirror half. Now you draw some new floor pattern. You can try some new floor pattern by yourself. In the previous session I also told you that try to make new patterns. You can show me by making it. Now, the next is how to draw a brick. Brick, I already explained you in the introduction what is brick, and I also show you the number of faces of the brick. How many faces does a brick have? 6 faces. How many faces? 6. Bricks have 6 faces. Is any face is a square? No. No. Brick are in rectangle shape only. Draw the smallest face of the brick. Smallest face of the brick means you can see on the brick और उसकी जो फेसेस के दोनों साइड के जो पार्ट होते हैं दैट पार्ट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट फेस ऑफ द brick. Next is which of this are the faces of a brick. Now here the sum of the diagram is given. From this diagram you have to find out the faces of brick. You will try to do it by yourself. Okay. Now the question is given in this question. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 faces of it. So you can draw this geometry box. You can try to show the faces of this geometry box. Can you make a drawing of a brick which show 4 of its faces? No, because brick has 6 faces. You can't draw a brick with 4 faces. Okay. So here your answer will be no. So next topic is a wall that will not fall. A wall that will not fall means in this Munya and Zainab are playing with the bricks. They both had made walls. You can see these 2 walls. They both had made this wall. Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. शी इज़ आर्ग्यूइंग विथ मुनिया. वो ऐसे बोल रही है मुनिया को कि उसका वॉल नहीं गिरेगा बिकॉज जो भी मैसन्स होते हैं वो हमेशा वॉल इस तरह ही बनाते हैं. सो हर वॉल विल नॉट फॉल ईजीली. वॉट डू यू थिंक विच वॉल विल बी stronger? Now I am asking to you. You have to answer me of this question that whose wall is strong, Zainab or Munya? You have to must answer me this question. Okay, I will wait for your answer. And the next is different wall pattern. This different wall pattern you can see. This brick is given to you in the first 3 lines, and in the second 3 lines drawing of this brick is given. Okay, you have to match that which wall is similar like drawing. Means कौन सी wall है जिसका drawing same है. You have to match with the wall with this drawing. Okay, so I am giving you 2 activity you have to do and must answer me. Okay.